Hi, Dudu. Where's your oppa? Right there. Where's your shoulder? Right there. Right there. Right there. Okay, where's stop?
Stop, Mommy.
Say, stop.
Stop, Mommy.
Where's your left arm?
Right there.
Right there. Thomas' left arm. Say, what is that? Daddy right there? Where's Daddy right there?
Right there.
See, Daddy right there.
Right there.
Where's Tutu right there?
Right there.
Right there? You mean right over there? Give me your feet. Show me your feet. Where's your right here? Toma. Who wrote you all over? Who wrote you?
Say mommy did it.
Mommy did it.
Your mommy wrote and mommy did it? You want me to write it down, say mommy did it?
What do you read?
Right on the feet?
Yeah.
Yeah? Can mommy do it? Daddy?
No. Say no, no, mommy.
Your mommy wrote it? Write it?
Say no, no, mommy.
Mommy wrote it.
See, mommy wrote it. He asked me, Daddy. You want to tape it so I can write it? Or you want to write it so I can tape it?
We're just getting started. That's the SEC story. We'll deal with all the other conferences coming up.
Tico, you say you want feet right here, right? Let me finish it. Just the T. Feet. Show your feet. Say feet. Where's your knee? Right here?
Last year's 3 wins.
Good girl.
Tico, right here. Show your feet. Say my feet. Where? What else? Google. Right here?
Yeah.
Eso. Right there. Yay. Right here. Right here. Right here. Is it done? You take shower?
Right there.
Right there. He's asking me. Right there.
We're going to take over your neighborhood for your neighbors
Right
to cheer you
there.
on.
Yeah, that's it. All done? Can we take shower?
Right there.
Right there. What do you want? Do you want Daddy? Or Boomer? Or Smiley Face?
Right there.
Can you say bye-bye so we can go take shower?
Monday, back to the grind.
Bye-bye.
And your
Bye.
alarm clock. Reluctant
Bye-bye.
to accept this reality.
Bye.
Bye-bye, dolls?
Laying down tracks
Okay, let's go take shower, okay? Okay, say bye-bye. Tutu, say bye-bye in the camera.
Bye-bye.
Kiss, kiss.
Then you realize it's Monday. And you got to go to work. But with
Bye-bye.
Monday will soon